Hitachi washing machines with inverter technology consume less energy and water. The UltraStream Wash circulates water with a strong shower to produce instantaneous results. Control the amount of water and monitor the washing through the glass stop. It has a large drum to handle 24 kilograms per wash. That's about 120 shirts at once. So now you can save electricity, water, and time. It's also easily customizable. Plus, it automatically cleans itself after every wash. It's the UltraStream Wash, only from Hitachi.